The word mindset is derived from words meaning a mental disposition, a way of thinking informed by memory, thoughts, intellect, and will. And today it generally refers to a person's frame of mind, reflecting their values and attitudes. When we lack a positive mindset, we become frustrated, confused, and discouraged with an external locus of control and a fixed mindset, victims of circumstance and a woeful lack of confidence. And yet, when you do have a positive mindset, you become inspired and motivated with an internal locus of control and a growth mindset, empowered and encouraged to steer your experiences through continual growth and development. The question becomes, what values and attitudes are feeding your mindset, and how are they helping you to facilitate positive growth in your life?